Good morning. It is Sunday, November 14th at about 7 in the morning. I just got home from work from the fire department and I'm inside the house and I can hear the power plant hum. Um, I'm videotaping this on a 5 megapixel camcorder, and right now I'm gonna be quiet. I'm facing the north or lake side of my property, and there are some birds and seagulls, and you can kind of hopefully pick them up to get a background noise. Now that's birds chirping. Now we're gonna go through my garage, and I'm on the south side of the canal. So, and about halfway up 79 Lakewood, and you can hear a substantial difference going from one side of the house to the other. And you can also hear some birds in the background that um, the whirring noise of the power plant almost drowns the birds' chirps out in the backyard. So that's I think a robin chirping. So there's no tricks or gimmicks here with this videotaping. That whirring sound that you hear is actual. That is daily. You can see the flag is not waving. There's no wind. So with a gentle south wind push, that sound will be, I would say, 20% louder than it is now. So hope you can pick that up, and that's what we go through in Lakewood about every day. Thanks. Bye.